Hello everyone, welcome back. So in our previous video, we have completed this prepare based model, okay, this notebook experiment. So in this video, actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just create this Python script, okay. I'm going to write everything as modular coding. So I will just copy pasting this code only, and I will be like creating all the components here, okay. So let's create this thing, okay. So first of all, as you remember, first of all, I need to create one component, okay, inside this src. So I'll come inside src. So there I have a cnn classifier, and here I have component, okay. So inside component, actually I'll be creating another file, okay. So let's create one file here. So I'll name this file as prepare base model, prepare underscore base model, okay, dot py. Yes. Now, what I will do, I will just copy pasting the same code as I created, okay, in my this Jupyter notebook. But before that, I think as you remember, first of all, I need to declare my entity, okay. So let's declare the entity. So for this, actually, I will open this entity config entity, okay. From this entity folder, I will open this config entity, and here I need to mention all the entity, okay. So let's copy the entity from here. So I'll copy the same code. Let me close this this notebook. This is not required. And I will also close this data ingestion.py. Also close this one. Yeah. So I will come to this config entity, and here I'll mention my entity. Okay. So after mentioning entity, I also need to mention this configuration manager. Okay. So I'll copy the same method. Okay. And I will open my configuration.py file. So inside config, I have configuration.py file. I'll open this one. And here I need to mention this method, okay, I created. So guys, I have defined this method here, get prepare base model configuration. And here if you see, this return type is missing, okay. So this entity is missing, so I'll copy the name. And here I just need to import this thing. So I'll give a comma. And I will import it. But this thing is not like defined, okay. If you just press Ctrl and right click on top of it, okay, it won't be redirecting here, because this thing we haven't imported inside my constructor file, okay. So to import this one, what you need to do, just go to your entity constructor. So this is my entity folder, okay. Here I have defined my constructor, okay. I'll open this init.py, and here I just need to import this entity configuration. So I'll just give a comma, and I'll also import this thing, okay. Now let's save this file. Now if I come to my configuration, now if I press Ctrl and right click on top of it, okay, so see, it will redirect because I have already defined inside my constructor, okay. So let me close the constructor right now. Yeah, so yeah, this thing is already defined. Now I think everything should be fine here. There is no error. Yeah, I think everything is fine here. So after configuration, what I need to do, I need to update my component, okay. So let's update my component. So here I created already one component file, prepare base model.py, this file. Now here actually I need to write this code, okay. So here I prepared all my components, as you can see here. So this is my prepare base model components, okay. The same thing I'll be just copy pasting. So I will just copy the same code from here, and I'll open my prepare base model, okay, this file, and here I will paste it. Now just see what are the file like packages are missing. So I have missing this TensorFlow and this path, okay. So let's import these are the things. So I'll just write from path leave, okay, import path class, okay. Now I will also import my TensorFlow. So import TensorFlow, okay, TensorFlow STF, okay. And I also need to import this prepare base model configuration, okay. So the same way I can import. So I'll come here. I think inside my configuration I already imported this thing, okay. So from let's copy this name, and let's import this thing. So from cnn classifier dot entity import my prepare base model, okay. Now I think everything is fine. Yes, there is no error. Now this thing I also defined. Now what I need to do, I need to update my pipeline, okay. So to update the pipeline, So here I have created one pipeline folder, as you remember. Okay, so inside that I will create another a pipeline here, pipeline file. Okay, so let's create this file here. So I'll give this name stage 02 underscore prepare base model. Okay, prepare underscore base model.py. Okay, model.py. So here the same way I will be writing the code. So let me open this data ingestion.py stage 1. Okay, so the same way actually I need to write here also. So I'll copy the same code and I will come to this file and I will paste it here. Okay, and here instead of class data ingestion, I'll give prepare uh, prepare base model. Okay, so this name, and I will just keep this constructor file as pass because I'm not doing anything here. And instead of data ingestion components, I will be importing my first of all I need to also import this thing. So I'll go to my this components. Okay, inside components I have created one constructor file. I'll open this one. So I also need to import my prepare base model. So from cnn classifier dot components, okay, dot prepare base model, I'll import prepare base model. Okay, this class. Okay, as you can see here I already defined this class here. Okay, so this class I have imported. Now this thing is done. Now I'll come back to my this one, my prepare base model. Now I also need to import this thing. So prepare base model, this class. Now I will write the same code here. Okay, so if I open my notebook, so this is my pipeline code. Okay, so I'll copy the code and so here actually I just need to paste the same code. Okay, so let's do it. Yes, I think everything is fine. Yeah, now this thing is also prepared. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to mention this thing inside my main.py. So I'll open my main.py and here first of all I need to import this thing. Okay, so from cnn classifier dot pipeline stage 02, okay, prepare base model, I will import my prepare, what is the class name? Yeah, this is the class name. Mm, yes, okay. Now similar wise I will give one stage name here called prepare base model. Okay, and after that I will give try block. So here first of all I will provide one, so here first of all I will provide one login. Okay, so it will basically log your stage this prepare base model started. Okay, after that I will initialize this object. Okay, so let's initialize it here. So prepare base model. Okay, and from this object I will call my, okay, this main method. Okay, because here if you see, if I open this one, I have defined one main method here. Okay, so this is one I'm just calling. Okay, now once it is done I will also log this stage has been completed. So let me write the log here. Okay, now I will cover my except block. Yes, yeah, I think everything is fine. Now let's test the code, okay, whether it's working or not. But before that, what I need to do, I will remove this artifacts folder. Okay, so let's remove this artifacts folder and see whether it's working or not. So let's open my terminal and here I will just write python uh, python main.py. Okay, now let's see whether it's working or not. See guys, it has started like the data ingestion pipeline first of all. So basically it will start this data ingestion pipeline first of all. Okay, because as I mentioned here, And if I open the log, as you can see, uh, here it will log each and everything, like your data ingestion. Okay, stage started. Now these are the log, as you can see. Okay, see, it's downloading the file. It's downloading the data basically. Okay, see, it has already downloaded the data. So this is my data. Okay, and after that it will start your stage 2, which is nothing but prepare base model. Okay, if I open the log again, here if you see your here, okay, I started prepare base model. Okay, then it will like prepare the base model. It will save everything inside this prepare base model folder. See, okay, this two like model object it has already saved. Okay, and now once it is done, it will return stage prepare base model completed. Okay, that means everything is working fine, there is no error. Okay, congratulations, I think you have already done this two stages, okay, perfectly. Now what I need to do, I will commit this code. Okay, because as you can see here, these are the file I need to commit. So let's commit the code also. So I'll just clear my terminal. I'll just write git add git commit uh prepare base model stage completed. Okay, now I'll just simply git push origin main. So yeah guys, that's it. I think you got it, like how we can do the experiment on the notebook, and the same code we can just copy paste, okay, in our components. Like it's like very easy. Okay, as you can see here. So yes guys, this thing is done. Okay, we have completed all the things successfully. So in our next video actually we'll be start writing our callbacks functionality, because as you can see whenever we do image classification, okay, so we also prepare some callbacks, okay, during training. So these are the callbacks is also needed. Okay, and we'll be also creating our training pipeline. Okay, so yes guys, this is all about from this video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.